Breaking stock news. Nasdaq, PEGA. The truth is revealed in Pegasystems Incorporated, ticker symbol PEGA. In violation of Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, reporting requirements, for nearly 2 full years, PEGA never publicly disclosed Appian's lawsuit in its public SEC filings. After the close of the markets on May 9, 2022, PEGA disclosed that the Virginia Circuit Court jury awarded Appian more than $2 billion for Pega's trade secret misappropriation. The market reaction to the jury verdict was immediate and significant. PEGA stock price dropped from $65.93 per share on May 9, 2022, to a close of $52.25 per share on May 10, 2022, a decline of 21% that wiped out over $1 billion in market capitalization. As the market continued to digest, PEGA stock price dropped another 8% to close at $48.07 per share the following day, representing a 2-day decline of 27%. Investors, who purchased shares of PEGA common stock between May 29, 2020 and May 9, 2022, are to register their losses in a class action lawsuit filed against Pegasystems Incorporated. The lawsuit, filed in the Eastern District of Virginia, seeks to recover shareholders' losses with no out-of-pocket cost. The class action alleges that 1. PEGA had engaged in corporate espionage and misappropriation of trade secrets to better compete against Appian, a principal competitor. 2. Defendants' product development and associated success was, in significant part, not the result of its own research and product testing but rather the result of such corporate espionage and trade secret theft. 3. Defendants had engaged in a scheme to steal Appian trade secrets, which was not only known to, but carried out through, the personal involvement of the company's CEO. 4. The company's CEO and other officers and employees did not comply with the company's written code of conduct, including its express prohibition on stealing confidential information from a competitor and misrepresenting your identity in hopes of obtaining confidential information. 5. The company was unable to reasonably estimate damages in the lawsuit filed by Appian as a result of the foregoing misconduct, the Appian litigation. 6. As a result of the foregoing, defendants' statements about PEGA's business, operations, prospects, legal compliance, and potential damages exposure in the Appian litigation were materially false and/or misleading and/or lacked a reasonable basis when made. Investors who suffered losses on Pegasystems shares only have until July 18, 2022 to request that the court appoint you as a lead plaintiff. Acting as a lead plaintiff is not a requirement to participate in monetary recovery, but you must meet the deadline to be considered as a lead plaintiff. One law office is fighting for shareholders' rights in this court case, and that is New York-based law firm Vincent Wong. Below this video is a link to register your details and losses. And they wanted us to report that any prior results do not guarantee similar outcomes, and this may be considered attorney advertising under the laws of your states. As a shareholder, you deserve to be informed and your investments protected. This stock news channel only delivers relevant stock information that directly affects stockholders. Subscribe and be informed.